quick video here, and this is a special announcement. Take advantage of this now before Prime Day. Prime Day is right around the corner. What they're giving is a really fantastic deal. They're giving you 6-month free trial for $0. Now listen to what I just said. Prime is giving you 6-month free trial for $0. Now this is for young adults, okay? This is from 18 to 24 years old, and students enjoy full Prime benefits and 5% cash back. Now that's 5% cash back. You can get all kinds of great deals: 0% food delivery, unlimited streaming, fast and free delivery. And if you're buying stuff on Amazon, you know you're buying a lot of stuff: groceries, exclusive deals, Prime fuel savings. Okay, save 10 cents on a gallon over 7,000 participating gas stations. Prime reading, Amazon photos, and Prime gaming. Now check out these plans after your 6 months. Okay, so you get 6 free months. Okay, that is really a great deal, guys. So take advantage of this. If you see this video, watch this, and definitely click on the link down below. I do get a small commission as an affiliate link, but it helps support my channel. Cost you nothing. Just to be fair and transparent, always fair and transparent here on your review channel. So Prime after the 6 free months, you enjoy Prime Day Adult for $7.49 a month or $69 a year. Now that is awesome. I don't know if anybody knows that Amazon's got up quite a bit on their packaging on their Prime. So this is an awesome deal. There's so many benefits, so much you can do with this plan, especially if you're a student, young adult from 18 to 24 years old. So go ahead and check that out. I think you're gonna really enjoy this fantastic deal. Don't let this go by. Don't lose this opportunity to go Prime and get everything: free shipping, free returns if they qualify, and also all the other benefits that's included. I think you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click on that link. I think you're gonna really enjoy this. Prime Day is coming. Get ready.